At Jim Taylor Ford, we're your trusted partner for all vehicle needs. Whether you need service repairs, routine maintenance, body work, or parts replacement, we're here to help.
Visit our service department with Ford-certified technicians who are equipped to handle everything from oil changes to advanced diagnostics. Completing a multi-point inspection with every vehicle, allowing our certified technicians to identify potential issues early, helping you stay ahead of problems before they arise. Take advantage of our complimentary concierge driver, who will pick up and deliver your Ford vehicle within a 15-mile radius of the dealership. Call us for scheduling and details. Our parts department is stocked with a wide range of parts, ensuring perfect compatibility with your vehicle. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or need professional installation, our team is here to help. Plus, qualified parts come backed by a 2-year unlimited mile factory warranty for added peace of mind.
Have you been in an accident or noticed damage to your vehicle? Trust our team of experts with over 20 years of experience to restore it to its original condition. Our Ford certified specialists in aluminum repairs will ensure that every Ford vehicle is repaired to the highest standards. Whether it's a minor dent or major damage, our collision center will assist you every step of the way. At Jim Taylor Ford, we're not just here to sell you a vehicle. We're here to serve you long after the keys are in your hand. From expert care in our service department to a team that truly listens, we're committed to keeping you moving. Because here, it's not just about cars, it's about people. Jim Taylor Ford, where people drive us so you can drive forward.